Bobby was not ready. Once I saw he was coming, when he was throwing a jab out there trying to set him up, you know, I'm telling that boy Bud was flat-footed, y'all. Flat-footed, walking up to him. Bah, bah, bah. And he already knew what to do. After that second round, he started picking ass apart because he already knew what he was doing. Over top, side. He creep up on him. He bounced back in southpaw. Boom, boom, boom. I said, oh, shit. He didn't see that one coming. Oh, he switched it up on him again. Pow, pow, pow. Oh. He got his ass handled to him. Yeah, man. I shot the shit out of me, y'all. Yeah, he got the pop. He got mouth pop, y'all. I don't know what to say. But he got his ass kicked. When they put the leg on it, that boy got his ass kicked. I can't believe it, but damn, he hit that floor, boy. Everybody like, man, he didn't look like he was in shape. People talking about he looked like he was drunk. I think he got a little buzz from my X-plug. He went in that fight. He got his ass beat the brakes off. Nah, he wasn't ready for that shit. That boy set him up. He's a counterpart. And you sitting up there running up there throwing these crazy ass punches. Man, he got his ass beat, man. Real time. He couldn't do nothing, man. For real, he couldn't do shit. He couldn't do nothing. That tripped me out. He sitting up there, pop, pop, pop. Boom, he hit it one time. Counter him every time. He couldn't do nothing. He couldn't do shit. That was so crazy. He couldn't do nothing, y'all. He kept running up on him. Boom. Like, he was mad. Like, what the hell? Had no game plan. No boxing game plan. He looked this sad. I wanted him to stop the match at third round, man. He would look like he tired. He was tired within the second round, y'all. He was that damn tired, y'all. He throwing punches just ugly. Boy. That was some messed up shit. He got his ass whooped. Yep. Just keeping it real. He got his ass whooped. But I was already going for Crawford anyway, because I already know how he fight. He flat-footed. He creep up on you and hit you with all that power. Not all that old bouncing around on your tiptoes. No, he coming up flat-footed. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I said, damn. He creeped up on him. I said, Earl just did it bounce getting tired. And he throw them hard-ass punches, y'all. I'm talking about, they were so hard, man. He getting tired. I'm like, that's too much energy, bro. And they ain't even connecting. Oh, boy, just bounce back on his ass. Pop, pop, pop. He tired. Hit him. Oh, shit. Boom. Nigga lip bloody. He got slaughtered. I said, whoa, man. Yeah. Talk that shit. You talking about breaking his face. He damn near broke your face. You would have stayed in that damn ring. Boy, that boy, I'm talking about, man, he hit one good time. That boy said, that boy's face just rocked. I said, damn, you just see blood just blooming. I said, ooh, wait. Damn, stop that fight. That boy finna be looking ugly tomorrow. Yeah, baby. I'm being honest. I'm tired. But, man, y'all just keeping it 100, man. I'm a big ass fly. I'm just big. Yeah, man. She got his ass whoop, y'all. Well, I knew it. I said from the get-go, man, if you don't come in and play with him, he's a cannon. So he's gonna let you come in with all that hard shit. And he just sitting his ass up. I'm like, look at this shit. You steady want to come out there like a pit bull. And this boy just, okay, come on, bring it. Boom, 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 boom. He taking all that shit. But it ain't phasing him. This ain't no pop, pop, pop. He coming with combos. I'm talking about, man. He come phase. I'm talking about, and then you see him, this nigga, man, he hit him so good. He knew the combo was coming. He already doing like this, y'all. Who don't hear me?